and make it anywhere from 5 to 30,000. Hello guys, so in today's video I will show you how to make passive income using ChatGPT and AI. So this method that I'll be showing you is a really well-known method, but the problem with it is that it used to cost a lot of money and it used to take a lot of time, but now using AI we have neither of those problems. So let's get started. I'll be showing you step by step how to do this, but also I would recommend that you go through the whole video because I'll be dropping some tips in how you can make the process more efficient and better. So let's get started. This process is only a 3-step process. The first step is creating the story, second step is creating the image, and then I'm going to show you then how you can turn this into money. To generate the story, we'll be using ChatGPT. That's an AI, and I'll be showing you in detail how to use it, and then I'll be showing you another tool also for the image. So let's first get started with ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an AI that is able to generate text. It can do a lot more than that, but we'll be focusing on this ability. So let's get started. So on here on ChatGPT, what you'll be doing is generating the story. And the first step is break down the story into body and title. Body and title. So for the title, you'll be asking it the following question. So create title for a Christmas storybook for kids. And you will see it will say the magic of Christmas. Maybe say another one. A very Christmas adventure. So this is a nice title. What we'll be doing is copying that title and generating the body based on that title. So say create a rhythm story based on this title. Here we're gonna see in a land far, far away, and you're gonna see it's gonna go through the whole process of generating a story for us. We do nothing; it will generate the whole story, and it sounds good as well. If you read it a little bit, it sounds good. So now that we have the story, it's pretty short, but I want to make a short story now. What we'll be doing is copying each line and going to our second tool to generate the image. So this is our second tool, and what we'll be using this for is to generate the image. It's an AI. The website called Dream AI, and I will show you right now how to use it. What you will be doing is from the lines that you got generated from ChatGPT, you will copy each line on here and generate the images. First, let's generate the cover picture. So if we go back on ChatGPT, we want to look for the cover page, which is this, the title. We're going to put the title on here and then pick a theme. This is my second tip. When you generate the story, you want to pick a holiday theme. Festival and holiday theme, they sell better. So on here we picked Christmas. There is some other themes as well, but for Christmas I will be picking this and create. See, generated image. Now what we'll be doing is copying this image. Copy image. And we'll be going to our third and last tool, which is Canva. So on here on Canva, what we'll be looking for is kids book templates. And we're gonna go around look for books that are similar or a template that are similar to our theme. So on here, what you want to do is essentially paste the image. So in here, we have a very Christmas adventure. You have the title, you have the image. It's that simple. You do the same for the rest of the pages, and then you take that book and you go to Amazon now. So in Amazon, what you would do, you would post listing like this. You see, this is a kid's textbook. This is another kid's textbook. They're getting anywhere from 1,000 reviews to 2,000 reviews, and making anywhere from 5 to 30,000. So if you make many textbooks here, you can make a lot more than that. So essentially, this is strategy. And yeah, that's all. Thank you all for watching, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And let me know down in the comments if you need any help. And yeah, take care.